Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to schedule message. The first thing you do is open up your app, and once you've opened up the app, next thing you'll do is, if you want to schedule a message, which means you want to send a message but you don't want to be delivered, means you send it at a particular time, on a particular day, so you can do that. So whether a message or a post, you can do that. So let's get right into it and see how we can schedule the message. So let's say I want to send a message to this particular person. So the first thing, this is Telegram. I said Telegram, let's look for someone else. This one to schedule message to this particular person. Next thing I'm gonna do is type the message I want to send. For example, and then you press down the send button until it shows you this. Then you can see schedule message. So tap on schedule message, then choose the day and the year you want it to be sent. As you can see, I chose January 7, 2025. Let's make it January 1st. Then what time? At 2:06. Well, let's make it 12. So let's say Happy New Year time, and then that would be, we want that to be the previous day. Anyway, after setting the time, remember, here's for the year, here's for the time. Once you're through, you tap on send, and then it's got scheduled for January 4th, 2025. So once that the message will be delivered, it is as simple as that.